Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to turn off crossplay in Black Ops 6 on Xbox and PS5 so you can control who you match up with in multiplayer. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's start with Xbox. Here's how to turn off crossplay in Black Ops 6. From your home screen, select the cogwheel icon to open Settings. Once you're in Settings, go to General, then choose Online Safety and Family. Next, select Privacy and Online Safety and click on Xbox Privacy. From there, go to View Details and Customize and choose Communication and Multiplayer. Finally, set You Can Join Cross-Network Play to Block. This will disable crossplay at the console level, so you'll only match with players on Xbox. Now let's move over to the PS5. To turn off crossplay on a PS5, start by launching Black Ops 6 and opening the Settings menu from the main screen. In Settings, scroll down and select Account and Network. Here, you'll find the Crossplay option. Just hover over Crossplay and press X to switch it from on to off. This limits your multiplayer matches to PS5 players only, giving you a more focused experience with people on the same platform. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more quick gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.